We have bought an awning from Temu. Let's see how good it is. This is the packaging it comes in. Pretty normal for an awning, I think. I don't remember the last one I got was like this, but pretty simple packaging. Let's bring out the powerful knife. The instructions on how to install this thing. Basically what I'm doing up here is with my hardware, because if you have a Prinzu like I do, you're gonna need some type of hex bolt that fits through these grooves. So I have some more screws here to see if it fits. So as you can see, you can wiggle it and it'll get stuck. So you just need to slide it where you want it. Hence, like how here these had 4 holes, so I put one in the corner and one in the front so that we can tighten it with some nuts. We have the provided bracket here that they gave us. We'll put that one there, another one here, and there you go. Now we have to find some nuts, maybe some self-locking washers here and on all 4. That way we can attach it and we can bolt it down to the Prinzu roof rack so it doesn't move. Apparently this is their, well, I'm guessing this is their little, I'm guessing like brand from China maybe. It came in very good condition. I don't see any imperfections with the actual roof rack itself. Sorry, with the actual awning. It looks very neatly packaged and no damages to the actual awning itself. So good job, Temu. We found some hardware in our random hardware drawer, so that's a plus. We're using an 11mm socket to just tighten all this down. Now we're just gonna flip the awning to the back side so that we can actually install the hardware included, which is a 13mm bolt and 13mm locking nut onto the back plate of the awning. 13mm bolt, 13mm nut. Temu awning finally installed. Holy crap, man. That thing looks good, bro. What do you guys think? Temu for the win? It was probably only like, what, 90 bucks? 80 bucks, I think I bought it for. Yeah, it's not a 270, but it's just a, you know, regular one. I don't need that much freaking shade anyway. Oh man, that looks so good. See how it looks from the back. From the back. Oh. Bro, honestly, that doesn't look that bad, honestly. I thought it was gonna look so bad. But thanks, Knob site. Thank you for the hookup. I'll link this specific one in the description below so you guys can check it out as well. Maybe even get one for yourself. I'm pretty sure there's shorter ones, you know what I mean, for like the Tacomas or Tundras or trucks with just the 4 doors instead of like the full SUV type. And I'm pretty sure you can, you know, get that. So damn, man. Simple, super simple install. Again, that is all, bro. Holy crap, look. Hey, wait, look. It needed it. I had the boxes up there, you know what I mean? But this, I think this was the complete setup. I still have the boxes, I can put them on if I need to, but at this point I don't need them. But anyway guys, this is it for today's video install. I'll have the cinematic shoot right after this because I know you guys love those cinematic shoots. Well, at least I love making them. I don't know if you guys actually like them. But let me put you guys down because I don't like carrying them. There you go. Temu awning. On the cinematic shoot, I'll go and test it out and I'll open it and, you know, let it hang, do what it has to do and test it out and see how it is. And let's see if Temu is any good for off-road products, because I also have some other things on the way from Temu. Not really sponsored, but I guess if you guys buy something from them by my link, I'll get a commission. So help your boy out, buy anything from there and I'll probably get a commission. So thank you guys if you do. But Temu awning. What? Temu has off-roading products. They even have light pods. They have like ring shackles. They have a whole bunch of stuff, and I am so excited to show you guys some of their stuff because I'm gonna be getting them. It's not sponsored because I'm still buying the product, but I want to showcase it because hey, $80 for a damn awning, and you can actually get it in payments. So to me, that's a no-brainer. You can use Klarna and all those types of third-party websites. But there you go. There you guys have it. Super simple install. Even if you have just the regular railings from a regular SUV, you can also do that as well, and you can install them with the provided hardware. So simple, too easy. $80 for something that you might use maybe a couple of times, not all the time, and it makes the truck look more aggressive. I think it does. So it's a no-brainer for me at least. So I'll link this product in the description down below so you guys can check it out and maybe get one for yourself, for your vehicle. Maybe get the one for the trucks that's just half, you know, who knows. But I mean, it looks good. I don't mind the actual logo. I don't think it looks ugly like some other ones that are out there. They're pretty ugly and they fade pretty quick. So this is just a white one, so if anything it'll just turn a little bit yellow maybe. Well, time will tell. We'll just keep updating you guys as it goes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. This is gonna be it for today. And there you guys have it. That thing is beautiful. I have no complaints right now. Tomorrow, or whenever I go and do off-roading, I'll probably pull it out and the awning. I'll pull the awning out and see how it looks and all that stuff. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you really enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you guys want to or not, that's fine. Here you guys go. Enough of me talking. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate every single one of you. subscribe, please. Just give that button. Just click it. Tick, tick, tick. Click that. Put a subscribe right here. Right here. Subscribe it. Right here. Editor. Subscribe. Right there. Subscribe. Just subscribe, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's your cinematic shoot. Until next time.